Hi YouTubers, I just finished spray painting a car and got two filters which were used to spray paint a car, and just thought want to have a look inside these carbon filters and see how they look like inside. I did this is the second set of filters. I did open one few weeks ago when I replaced the old one with this one, and it's quite interesting what's inside. So I just thought I'll make a video because I couldn't see anything on YouTube, anyone opening I think the A1 mask. So there's two different A1 and A2, P1 and P2. So there's a P2 filter, which is that one there. Sorry, P1, which is your like dust, and you got your A, which is the active like carbon inside. A1 got quite small, medium, fine gaps, and A2 got a bit more, even a bit more finer, so it filters better. So how about we do it together and see. So with the old one, I just went around like that. I'm going to chuck these ones, so before I chuck them, I thought I might just open up and have a look, show you guys how they look like. So they've been glued all the way around. So spray painted the car, guys, and use a 2K paint. There you go, that's your active carbon. So they're more like little noodles. Oh no, that's a rubber bit. So I think I need a little container. So they do look like noodles. There you go. So you can smell the 2K paint in there. Far out. That is quite strong of the paint. There you go. So literally you got another P1, 2 type of filter mesh. I might just wash these ones and I can use it with the next. I might just keep these ones because they'll come in handy. So what I did with the second one, the first one got quite a strong smell of the active carbon, and it had a bit of paint mark all the way around after about painting, and then I thought I might use a bit of toilet paper. So that has to go outside, that writing, and I just used a bit of toilet paper roll before I put that cap on, and then end of the day I just chucked that one, and it was pretty good to use it, and it lasted a bit longer. Than the smell wasn't that bad. So let's open the other one as well, guys. And what I did was I just put this active carbon in the kind of garden where there's not much, no veggies or anything, just flowers and stuff like that. I thought might be good for the being carbon. So they're probably a bit of, I don't know how they make these active carbons. So the 3M is the only one which got the A2 filter. All the other ones, In Australia, there's a hardware store chain called Bunnings. They have the 3M A2 filters. It's about $40, or you can get the home brand one, the cheap version, which is about, I think about $18, something like that. Oh, look at that! That is different. So one side, it's good, guys. We open both together, both sides, because one side got a very different type of active carbon. So the filters are the same though. But if you have a look, the first one got little noodles, the second one is almost like sand pebbles, sand particles. I'm having a bit of trouble with my phone. Memory run out. This newfound love for making YouTube videos, because I have learned so many things from others. I thought I might as well do the favor by making a couple of videos for others to have a look at. Not so, because I do love doing little things like this. And meanwhile, we can talk about other stuff as well, things which matter. Alright guys, just thought I'll make a video of how these filters, spray painting filters, respirators I think they're called, how they look like inside. Alright, until next one, take care guys.